like a Hellcat.
Welcome to my channel. I want to thank I want to thank my friends who are able to subscribe. If you want to become my friend, please subscribe and click the little bell to be notified when I upload a video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find square root. Square root is simply a number. Simply a number with a small number above. And when this question, what the question means is multiply 6 by itself by 6, multiply the number by the same number but 2 times, like 6 times 6, and it will give you 36. And there's a question like this with the square root symbol, and simply it means that find like the square of 36, and the square of 36 is 6. So the question means that find the number that can be multiplied by itself to get 36, and that number is 6. The whole numbers is 6. That's 6. And there's a question which is like find the square of each number below. Simply this question means find the number multiplied by the same number to get the answer, and it is like if it's 15, you do 15 times 15 with the answer. It will be, the answer will be 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times equals 5. 7 5 1 8 is 225. It's 225. And if the question is 7, it will be 7 times 7, because we are finding the square of 7, and the question will be with the square number above, and it will be 2 or 3 or 5 or 6, but it's especially 2. And 7 times 7 is 49. Yeah. And if the question is 8 squared, it will be 8 times 8, which is 64. Square numbers are simple, but sometimes it gets hard when you don't remember how to do it. And the other questions, they are like the same. Yeah, they're the same. Sometimes they bring question like find 6 squared or 2 squared. Other ones they say find the square, the square root of each number, and they bring 49, 64, or 144. And this is simply, if they say find the 6 squared, it will be 6 times 6, and the answer will be 36. And if it's 2 squared, and this special means, as I told you at the first time, it means that multiply the same big number 2 times, and if it's 3, you must multiply the same number 3 times. And here it's 2 times 2, which the answer is 4. And the square root, you must just put the square root symbol, which is this, and finally you get the answer, which is 7, because the 7 multiplied by 7, it will be 44, and here 8 times 8, it will be 64. Yeah, and the answer will be 8. 44, it will be 12. The answer will be 12. Yeah, because here, as I told you, like in the second, when I told you, it was find the number that it multiplied by itself to get 49, and here 64, like that. And simply there are 8, 7, 8, and 12. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you I'll finish the integer part, so tomorrow I'm going to show you let me see how to I'll show you how to I'll show you another mathematics topic, and it's a grade 8 topic, and I'll show you how to find the square roots in the same way, but with some question. Yeah, thank you. Please